My dear students, good morning. Children, today you will learn translation of lesson number 6, Bhavtu Bharatam and its glossary. Children, Bhavtu Bharatam means May India become. Children, this lesson wishes the prosperity of our country India. So come on page number 21. Bharatam Bharatam Bhavtu Bharatam Shakti Samridham Yukti Samridham Shakti Yukti Samridham Bhavtu Bharatam means may India country become Shakti Samridham. Shakti means power or energy. Samridham means full of it. Yukti means skills or plan. Samridham means full of it. So may our country India become full of energy or power and full of skills. Shakti Yukti Samridham Bhavtu Bharatam. May India country become full of energy and skills. Now children, India does not mean a piece of land. India is made up of its people. We all Indians. So it wishes that India's people or we all may become full of energy and skills. Now come to the next line. Shastra Dharakam Shastra Dharakam. Shastra Shastra Dharakam Bhavtu Bharatam. Shastra means arms and ammunition. Dharakam means possessor. Shastra means holy or spiritual books. So may India become the possessor of arms and ammunition and holy books or spiritual books. Children, in fact, it means that our country people should be kind to everyone. But when it is the question of the protection of our country, then even our country should has arms and ammunition to protect itself from the enemies. Shastra Shastra Dharakam Bhavtu Bharatam. May India become possessor of arms and ammunition and spiritual books. Now children, this we can learn in the form of a poem also. In this way, you can sing with me also. Bharatam Bharatam Bhavtu Bharatam Shakti Samridham Yukti Samridham Shakti Yukti Samridham Bhavtu Bharatam. Shastra Dharakam Shastra Dharakam Shastra Shastra Dharakam Bhavtu Bharatam. Now children, come on next page. Come on page number 22. Riti Sanskritam Niti Sanskritam Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavtu Bharatam. Riti means proper method. Sanskritam means culture, or it means disciplined culture. May India become proper in discipline, or may Indians' life become methodic or cultured one. Niti Sanskritam means may India become or India follow a cultured policy. Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharatam. May India follow a proper India or Indians. May it follows a proper disciplined life and proper policy. Both. Now come to the next one. Karmanashtikam Dharmanashtikam Karma Dharmanashtikam Bhavatu Bharatam. Karmanashtikam. Karma means duty or work. Nashtikam means sincere or faithful. So may India become sincere in work or faithful towards work. Dharma Nashtikam, and sincere towards the religion. Or Karma Dharma Nashtikam, or may India become sincere in work and religion. Now come to the next one. Bhakti Sadhakam Mukti Sadhakam. Bhakti Mukti Sadhakam Bhavatu Bharatam. Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam. Bhakti Sadhakam. Bhakti means devotion. Sadhakam means achiever. May India achieve devotion. Mukti Sadhakam. Mukti means salvation. Sadhakam means achiever. So may India become achiever of devotion and salvation. May India become achiever of devotion. May India become achiever of salvation. Bhakti Mukti Sadhakam Bhavatu Bharatam. May India become achiever of devotion and salvation. Now children, this again we will read in the poem form. Riti Sanskritam Niti Sanskritam Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharatam. Karmanashtikam Dharmanashtikam Karma Dharmanashtikam Bhavatu Bharatam. Bhakti Sadhakam Mukti Sadhakam Bhakti Mukti Sadhakam Bhavatu Bharatam. Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam. Now children, come on, it's glossary part. Bhavatu means be. Shakti Samridham means full of energy. Yukti Samridham means full of skills. Sadhakam means achiever. Karma Nashtikam means sincere in work. That is Karma Yogi. Now children, your homework is to write translation of this lesson and glossary. Children, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you children.